Hi everyone, I hope you're all well and welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to be tackling level 4 to level 5, and the goal is to find the password that is stored in the only human readable file. Take note of that because it will come in handy later in this specific directory similar to the previous one. And we have a tip that tells us if our terminal is messed up, then we can try using the reset command. And finally, these are some of the commands that we may need to solve this level. By now you already know the first step is to log into this as Bandit 4 because, well, again, level 4. I had already copied my password, so I'm just going to paste it. We are in. We can clear that to make it more visible, and back to our goal. We have been told that the password is stored in the only human readable file in this directory, meaning that we need to first see what we have. It is there, so we navigate into that directory. Now we see what this directory has. It has a bunch of files. Now at first this might seem daunting because first of all they are named weirdly, and then there are quite a number of files, which makes it even much more tedious. But there is a better way to do this, and the hint is in what I had mentioned in the earlier videos where I talked about using the file command, because for you to determine which of them is human readable, then you need to know which file type you're dealing with. Human readable simply means something like a text file, the ones that we found. Now, you could use the file command on each of these and it will still work. However, there's a much more efficient way to do this, and it involves using two commands. One of them is the file command and the second one is grep. If you do not know, I will demonstrate in a moment, but grep is just what you use to sort of filter whatever output you get from another command. Let me just demonstrate. So what we do is use the file command and then you escape, as I showed you now. For us to go through all of these files, we just use that asterisk. That means that you use the file command on all these files recursively, and then it should output all of the file types. And now we take that output and we use it as input. That is why we use the pipe operator, so that we can take the output of the first command and use it as input for the second command, which is grep. So what grep does, it filters the output that will return that, because that means a text file. So in short, we are saying use this file command on every file and list the output, and then take that output from this command and then pass it to this. And in this command we are filtering and searching for the output that is a text file, the output that has this, and it should tell us which file gave that output. So hit enter, we see that it is from file 7, which means all we need to do is use the cat command, escape it, and then file. Now we put 7, and there we have our password. I mean, all these are just mind twisters. I mean, we have tongue twisters, so we have mind twister. Anyway, that is how you would need to go about it, and yeah, that is pretty much it. And I will see you in the next video. So thank you and bye bye.